Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good and doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this intense party wear makeup look. You can also create this look for your engagement or wedding if you are planning to do your makeup by yourself. So without wasting any time, let's get started. After cleaning my face, I am taking this toner from Good Vibes which will minimize my pore. And after that I am taking my Aveeno moisturizer which will hydrate my skin very well. Now for the base of my makeup, I am taking this primer from Lakme Absolute. It will hide my pores and will give a smooth texture to my skin. After primer, I am going to with my foundation which is from Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Here I am using shade number 128. Always wet your makeup sponge before using it as it will give you a nice finish and your foundation will blend properly. It will also soak the excess amount of foundation. Blend the foundation in dabbing motion to all over your face. Don't forget to cover your neck. It will give you an even look. Here I am using Lakme Absolute Concealer. A concealer is always preferred to hide your pigmentation or any dark spots or under eye dark circles. It will also highlight your face. Blend your concealer properly, and if you have dark eyelids, put some concealer on your eyelids and smudge it with the sponge. It will also give you an intense eye makeup look. Now I am going with the eyebrow. You can take black color or brown color from your eyeshadow palette, and if you have any eyebrow kit, you can go with that. Fill your eyebrow with the color and give a shape to your eyebrow. After that I am taking this mascara press which will give a finished look to my eyebrow. And now my eyebrow is done. Using the setting powder from Chanel, I am going to setting areas where I applied the concealer first to prevent it from creasing. Then I will cover my all face to fix my foundation. Now I am going to play with my eyes. I have taken this flat brush and this shadow palettes from Lakme Absolute, and I have taken this yellow color first to give a depth to my eyes. Now I am taking this brown color from this palette and giving depth to the outer corner of my eyes. Always have patience when you are doing your eye makeup because it will take time. And to create a very intense look, you have to blend your eyeshadow very well. Now I am taking this berry color from this palette to enhance my outer corner of my eyes. And now this purple color to give a depth or darken effect to my eyes. And now I'm taking this golden shimmery color from this palette and giving my inner corners of my eyes a shimmery golden look. And now with the help of brush, I'm spreading this golden shimmery color to my inner corners, as it will give a balanced look between both the colors. Now I'm taking this golden glitter Now I'm taking this highlighter from the palette to highlight my inner corners of eyes and under the eyebrows. Now I'm going with the eyeliner, which is from Lakme Absolute.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now I'm taking this black color from the shadow palette to give a little bit smoky effect to my outer corner of eyes.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
Now I'm going with a mascara, which is also from the Lakme range. Curl your lashes with the eyelashes curler. Now it's time to give your eyes a damn look with some false lashes.
you and me, just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
And it's done. Now I'm giving a touch up to hide my false lashes with the eyeliner. To soften my lower lash line, I am using the brown color from the palette very light-handedly.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
And now I am mixing with some purple color with my under eye. Now for my waterline, I am using this plum kajal.
fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
Now I am cleaning my under eye area with the help of a clean brush.
You wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Now it's time to contour your face. I am taking a light brown color from the eyeshadow palette, or I am using a powder contour to contouring my face or nose area. There are also cream contour available in the market, but I think that is very deepen the skin, or it will give you a very darken effect, so that's why I'm not using the cream contour. I'm using just my shadow palettes for the contouring.
You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know.
Don't forget to contour your jawlines, nose area, cheekbones and the forehead. Contouring is the step by which we can enhance our features.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now I'm taking this Maybelline blush to blush my cheek areas.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Now for highlighting my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my all highest points of my face.
Turn it to an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know.
Now come to the lip area. I am taking this lip liner from the Lakme, and I have make a outline around my lips to give a defined and very intense look to my lips. And now I'm taking this Lakme Absolute lipstick in shade wine. Our makeup is almost done. And here's the complete makeup look. I hope you enjoy the video. Please comment below and let me know how's the video. and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you want some more videos related to makeup or any other content, please let me know. Till then, keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.